Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paula, aka the Hellens, and I am back with another video today. And today we are going to be talking about wigs, and it's just all about wigs today because I am an avid wig wearer. Whoa, tongue twister there. Anywho, for those of you who do not know, I wear wigs. I've been wearing wigs for like years now. Since I started working and I learned about them and I was taught how to make them, I've been wearing them. So because I wear so many wigs, a lot of my clients obviously are super interested in wigs, which I love. Okay. But I also know that they're expensive and that they're an investment. So as a stylist, first, I want my clients to get their money's worth. And so whether you are my client or someone else's client, honey, I want to be able to give you tips and tricks to make sure that you are getting your money's worth and it is worth every single investment and penny. Because if done right, wigs can be amazing. So why am I an avid wig wearer? One, because I suffer from eczema in my scalp, as well on my face too. I get on my face, but in my scalp, so right in the front of my hairline. And so for me, I get breakouts when the weather changes. It just wearing random shit. So when I wear a wig, it protects my hair. If you are transitioning from like relaxer to natural, this is a great protective style to help you through that little ugly phase of trying to let it grow out if you don't want to do a big chop or whatever. But if you are natural, it's a wonderful protective style, especially during the winter when it's super harsh and it's just terrible for your hair. Wigs are a great alternative. And if you are none of the fucking above, and maybe you just want to be a fucking redhead, or you want to have blonde hair, or you want to have pink hair, or you just want to do something crazy, a wig is a great alternative. Okay, so there are 3 types of wigs that you can get. There is a full lace wig, which is what I'm wearing. Now a full lace wig, it's super natural, but it's completely ventilated. Okay, it's completely ventilated. All of this is lace. I don't want to show you this because this one has my makeup and shit on it, but all of this is lace. The entire thing. Okay, so there's no sewing involved in it, but at the same time, that means it's super, super delicate, because how lace is made, so how a full lace wig is made, is the same as a closure. So this is a closure wig that's handmade. So I made this wig, which means that the lace is just right here, and then the rest of it is on a mesh dome cap, you know. And then we have the frontal wig. This is another wig that I made. So the frontal obviously is made with the frontal, so it goes ear to ear, and then the back is on the mesh dome cap. So when speaking about the longevity, okay, oh, isn't she pretty? She's dirty though, I need to wash her. But it's about the lace part, okay, because lace is ventilated. So ventilation means that, so when I say that is ventilated, it literally means that these pieces of hair, they literally take each piece of hair and they like knot it through the material, because lace is a material, so it's extremely delicate. Okay, so when you bleach your knots, the purpose of bleaching the knots is that it makes it very transparent and translucent, and it looks extremely natural on your head. Okay, but you know, you gotta make some sacrifices somewhere. So if you're going to bleach the knots, you have to understand that you have sacrificed the integrity of the wig. It's not going to last you as long because you've weakened the bonds. So it's kind of like a trade. But the benefit is that it looks really natural when you put it on. It's made that it makes it look super natural. But you have compromised the integrity of the hair. So it's not going to last you as long, and you should keep in mind that you should be planning to purchase another wig or do another protective style, or just wear it for like a couple of months. When I say a couple of months, I mean 2 months, 3 months, then take it off, give it a rest, get another wig, or do another hairstyle for another couple of months, you know, and shampoo her, condition her, and just put her away. When you comb your wigs or your lace with a small tooth comb, this is a big, huge no-no. Okay, so what you don't want to do is be combing her like that. Okay, because like I just said, so when you bleach the knots, you've already compromised the integrity of it, so it's not going to last you as long. So you can't comb her like this because you will take the hair out. So when you want to comb your wig, you either want to use a brush. I love a brush. You start from the ends and just slightly move up, like so. If you don't have a brush, then your next option will be a wide tooth comb. And you always want to start with your ends first, and then you move upwards to the top, like such. Okay? But you never want to use a small tooth comb. The only time that this is appropriate is if you're like straightening it and you're gonna trace it with the flat iron. Like that's pretty much it. Or you're trying to get like this to lay. But at that point, you don't really comb it in. You almost are like combing on, raking on top of it to kind of help her lay flat. But you're not really combing her. Or then the next option is, sometimes what I do is actually just use my fingers to kind of get her through like that. But other than that, you never want to comb your wig with a small tooth comb, ever. Scratching. Yes. So understand this. Lace is itchy. Like, I don't know about, ooh, I just went from sexy to grandma. Ooh, okay. That was not, what was hot. Anywho, so keep in mind also, like, if you are going to wear lace, lace is itchy. It is. It's, I mean, if you wear lace on your body, it's itchy, so it's damn sure going to be itchy on your scalp. So just keep that in mind, that it's gonna be itchy, but you cannot scratch like this. Like, it's not your scalp, it's not your hair. Like, I need you to understand it's not your hair. So please do not do this. If you do this, it will cause it to bald and it will start to shed, and then that will kind of shorten the longevity of the wig, because it's gonna start balding. And then if it balds too much, sis, you're just gonna have to chuck a deuce and be like, okay, just gotta get another one. So, to reflect, do not use a small tooth comb when combing your wig. Only use a wide tooth comb or a brush. Those are my favorites. Number 2, do not vigorously scratch your lace. If it is itching, I would suggest, like, you just gotta pat. Old school. Pat your weave, ladies. Pat your weave, ladies. That's gonna be your best bet. Do not start scratching it because you're gonna scratch it bald. Bleaching your knots, you can bleach your knots. It gives it a very natural look, but at the same time, you will have, you know, compromise the integrity of the ventilation. So just please be mindful that you have to be extremely delicate with her. And then after that, when you shampoo her, I would suggest, if you can, just take her to your stylist and let her do maintenance on it, because you don't want to like rub it or do anything that's too vigorous on her as well. She is very sensitive, okay? And yes, I do always speak about wigs as a her, in the form of a person, because to me, my wigs are my babies. So do not fucking judge me. That's what it is. These wigs are not for everyday wear. So if you want to wear one wig, like if you want to wear wigs every day, just have options. 2 to 3 options, so you can switch them out, so you're not wearing constantly the same wig every day. You can put one up, you can wear this one for a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks and put her away, and then that way you're alternating, which now gives this wig a break and then gives that one a break, and yeah, that's pretty much how that goes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found it informative, and yeah, I hope that you can take away some little tips that you can use with your wig and what not to do with your wig so that you can get all of your coins worth. Okay, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, follow me on Instagram at the Hello and Hills, and follow my Snapchat at I am Hello and Hills. Thank you.